Welcome students for the maths class of grade 10. Today we are going to do topic arithmetic progression. General term of AP is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1d, where Tn is the nth term, where A is equals to first term, n your number of term, and your d difference between the two terms, or L, that's the last term, is equals to A plus n minus 1d. For an AP, nth term is equals to A plus n minus 1d. If your difference is greater than 0, then AP is increasing. If d is less than 0, then AP is decreasing. If d is equals to 1, then all the terms of AP are same. So using this all properties, we are going to solve exercise 10a. Exercise 10a. Question number 3. Question 3. If the pth term of AP pth term of an AP is 2p plus 3. Find AP, they are saying. Find AP. That means TP is equals to 2p plus 3. That means T1, if P I am taking it as 1, so it will be 2 into 1 plus 3, which is equals to 5. T2 is equals to 2 into 2 plus 3, which is equals to 7. T3 is equals to 2 into 3 plus 3, which is equals to 9. T4, 2 into 4 plus 3, which is equals to 11, and so on and so on. Therefore AP is 5, 7, 9, 11, so on. Question number 5. AP is given 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2, and so on. They are asking find the 30th term. So your first term, that's A is equals to 1 by 2. Your difference, that is T2 minus T1, T2 minus T1. Second term we have 1 minus 1 by 2, which is equals to 2 minus 1, that is 1 by 2. Difference we have 1 by 2. General term Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1. General term we have Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Now we have n is equals to, they are asking for 30th term, so n is equals to 30. A you have 1 by 2 plus 30 minus 1, and difference we have half. So we get now 1 by 2 plus 29 by 2, which is equals to, denominator is same, so 30 by 2. Therefore 30th term is equals to 15. This is the answer. 30th term is equals to 15. So this is the answer. We have a question 4, 7, 10, 13 ... till 148. Now how many terms are there in the series? They are asking how many terms are there in the series. So solution, your first term is equals to 4. Difference, that is T2 minus T1, that is 7 minus 4, which is equals to 3. And the last term, your last term is equals to 148. We have a formula. Last term is equals to A plus n minus 1 d. Now they are asking for n, number of terms. So last term we have 148, A we have 4, plus n we don't know, n minus 1, and d we have 3. This is coming this left hand side, 4 is coming on left hand side, it becomes 144 is equals to n minus 1 d, that is 3. So we get now 144 divided by 3 is equals to n minus 1, which is equals to, when you are dividing by 3, we get 4 8 48 into 3 48 is equals to n minus 1. Therefore n is equals to 49. N is equals to 49. They are asking how many terms there are. There are 49 terms in a series. Terms in a series. In the series. Question number 12. If fifth and the sixth term of an AP are 6 and 5 respectively, fifth term, that is T5, is equals to A plus 4D. So if we have fifth term is equals to 6, so therefore A plus 4D is equals to 6. This is my equation number 1. And we have a sixth term which is equals to A plus 5D. Sixth term they had given us 5. So we have A plus 5D is equals to 5. This is question number 2. Now solving these two equations, so we have subtracting equation 2 by equation 1. So we have A plus 5D is equals to 5. A plus 4D is equals to 6. Change the sign, minus, minus, everywhere minus. A get cancelled. So we have D is equals to minus 1. Difference you got minus 1. D you have minus 1. Substituting D is equals to minus 1 in equation 1. So we get A plus 4 into minus 1 is equals to 6, which is equals to A is equals to 6 plus that's 10. A you got 10. They are asking for now find the 11th term. To find 11th term, so T11 is equals to A you have 10 plus 11 minus 1, D you have minus 1. So what we get? 10 minus 10. So 11th term we have 0. This is the answer. So 11th term we have 0. Substituting D is equals to minus 1 in equation 1, we have A plus 4 into minus 1 is equals to 6. A is equals to 10. We got A as 10. Then they are asking to find 11th term. Doing the substitution in the formula, we get 11th term as 0. Question number 14. We have a series 4, 9, 14 dot 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 till 154, and they are asking to find the 10th term from the end. So 10th term from the end, that means if we are taking my series in a reverse order, so we have first term as A is equals to 154. Difference is equals to, I am taking in the reverse way, so 4 minus 9, I get minus 5. Difference we have minus 5. They are asking the 10th term, that means n we have 10. N is equals to 10. General formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1D. So 10th term is equals to A you have 154 plus n we have 10 minus 1, and difference we have minus 5, which is equals to 154 minus 9 into 5, that's 45, which is equals to 9109. Therefore the 10th term from the end is 109. This is the answer. Question number 18. Question 18. What this question says, an AP consists of 60 terms, that is n is equals to 60. If the first and the last term, that is T1 is equals to 7 and the last term is equals to 125. Then find 31st term. Find 31st term. N is given to you, T1 is given to you, and last term is given to you. So T1 is nothing, it's equals to A. So we have a general formula, L is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. Last term you have as 125. A you have 7 plus 60 minus 1. D we don't have. So this is going this side on the left hand side. So we have 118. 118 is equals to 59D. Therefore D is equals to 2. So difference we got 2. Difference we got 2. Then they are asking find the 31st term. So T31 is equals to A plus 31 minus 1, and D we got 2 into 2, which is equals to A you have 7 plus 30 into 2, which is equals to 67. So T31 is equals to 67. This is the answer. Question number 19. The sum of 4th and the 8th term, that is T4 plus T8, is equals to, sum of the 4th and the 8th term of an AP is equals to 24. That is 4th term, that is A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equals to 24, which implies 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. We have a common 2, so it becomes A plus 5D is equals to 12. This is my equation number 1. Then they had given you, and the sum of the 6th term and the 10th term, T6 plus T10 is equals to 34. So we have now A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equals to 34, which implies 2A plus 14D is equals to 34. Dividing by 2 we get, therefore A plus 7D is equals to 17. This is your step number 2. Now subtracting equation 2 by equation 1. So we have A plus 7D is equals to 17. A plus 5D is equals to 12. Changing sign, minus, minus, minus. We get, this get cancelled. 2D is equals to 5. So D is equals to 5 by 2. This is the difference we are getting. Now they are asking find the first 3 term of an AP. So D we have 5 by 2. So when you're doing the substitution, or D is equals to 2.5. Do the substitution. Substituting A is equals to substituting D is equals to 2.5 in equation 1. So we have 2.5 plus 5D is equals to 12. So 5D, oh I did mistake, substitution wrong we did. So we have A plus 5 into 2.5 is equals to 12. So we get A plus 7.5 is equals to 12. A is equals to 4.5. A is equals to 4.5. This is the answer. A is equals to 4.5. This is my answer. We have done some mistake here again in calculations. So we have A plus 12.5 is equals to 12. So A is equals to minus 0.5. So A you are having minus 0.5. So first term you got it minus 0.5 and difference we got 2.5. So first three terms they are asking. So T1 is equals to minus 0.5. T2 is equals to A plus D. So A you have minus 0.5 plus 2.5 which is equals to 2. T3 is equals to T2 plus D. So T2 you have 2 and D you have 2.2 which is equals to 4.5. Therefore the first three terms of an AP are minus 1 by 2, 2, 9 by 2, dot dot dot. This is the answer.